Hey guys, it's Alex back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the new M1 iPad Pro 11-inch, which I have right here, and the Magic Keyboard to go with it. So, I have been waiting a long time for this. I got the 256 Space Gray with Wi-Fi, and this is the 11-inch. Now, I haven't actually had a new iPad in a very long time, so this is very highly anticipated for me. So without further ado, I think we should get into the unboxing instead of me rambling on and talking about the products. We're getting to the unboxing part now, so I'm trying something new with a new little camera angle right now. So we've got both right here, both the iPad and the Magic Keyboard, so I think we should get into the iPad first and put the Magic Keyboard to the side. So here we go. I'm gonna bring this up to the mic so you guys can actually hear the plastic, because I know a lot of people really like that. So here we go. Alright, now we've got that taken off. I really like Apple's box design. Hold on, let me pull out my iPad Pro 10.5-inch box, because I like that one too. So I have that right here, if I can actually get it out. Right here. So here's that box. This is my last iPad that I actually got, so I'm finally upgrading. I just never actually upgraded. I was going to in 2018, but didn't. So these are two of my favorite Apple iPad box arts, I would say. Alright, so now put that to the side. Let's open the actual box itself. Pretty easy to open. We've got the iPad, and it's pretty thin and light. I honestly really like how that feels. Put that to the side. You get your info. Let's see, how many Apple stickers? 2 normal white giant Apple stickers. Interesting. Not too interesting myself, or well, not too interesting to me. Alright, I'll put that back in. You get a 20-watt brick to charge, and you get a USB-C, which I'm actually going to use, so I'm going to take that out of the box, and let's put that to the side. Alright, so I think we'll put the iPad to the side now, and we will open up the Magic Keyboard. So here is the Magic Keyboard. I already took the plastic off of it because I got a little quick with it when I first got the Magic Keyboard, so I already opened the plastic, so here we go. Here is the Magic Keyboard. Now, the Magic Keyboard doesn't come with anything interesting, like it doesn't come with a charger, it just comes with your info. So I got the black Magic Keyboard, and that is because I felt like that the white one would be very dirty quickly. Now, I really do like this. Let's slime it. So let's feel the keys. The keys do feel very good. They're not bad to me. When I'm typing, they feel pretty good. Now, we'll see how this is with the trackpad and everything. So, this is the the gray Magic Keyboard. Now, it charges on the side with USB-C, so that should be pretty easy. Let's boot up the iPad, I think, now. Let's get the iPad out of the plastic. Alright, here is the iPad itself. Alright, let's boot this up. Well, I don't think I'm going to show any of the booting up info, but let's put it in the keyboard and see how that attaches. So the smart connectors are in fact on the back, so those should connect just like such. And that's connected, so hello. Alright, so we will be back when I have the whole iPad set up. So the iPad is now set up actually, and wow, I have to say the screen is pretty impressive. Now I believe, let's test out the speakers, because I'm curious. So let me find something real quick. No copyright. Let's just do a no copyright sounds or something instrumentally, sure. Alright, let's just blast that. Let's turn that on. Pretty loud. Now, I like how the whole trackpad works. It's pretty cool. Everything's pretty fast on it. Now, I'm pretty much enjoying it so far. So this is it pretty much set up. Alright guys, so that has been it for this unboxing video of the new iPad Pro with M1. Now I will be doing some further testing and more interesting videos besides the unboxing, but here it is right here, and I can say I am enjoying this so far. I still have to get an Apple Pencil, I did not, but this is the new iPad Pro with M1, and that has pretty much been it for this unboxing. So, like always, please subscribe, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.